That one is known as Mother Mary. That was Jesus. And that was a boat. But they're tiny. Very, very tiny. It's a gift of the hearts and belief for believers that the acorn might survive. And that's the little monarchy that came in and ate up all our clothes. It's my house plant. I left my other house plant outside. They said bring a new one in. So the housemates put a new one in. That's my house plant. I want them outside most of the time. My bamboo's supposed to be outside too. That's a house plant. I was supposed to put one right here, but it turned gray because something happened. That's my mom's shoes before she passed away. And then my aunt gave me a bunch of stuff, and I left it behind. I'm too lazy to use glass. This is rice coffee. You gotta put it in that. You could let it sit for like 12 hours, but you don't want the coffee to expire either. But you have to let it sit in the refrigerator instead of the fridge of a freezer. That means completely frozen. Because for some reason it's sold differently. Like, I don't know. It's spoken differently. They would call that the refrigerator. It's the freezer though. That's iced coffee. It's just black coffee. It's because I don't feel like going on anywhere getting anything for it. But if you use sweetener, it works. That's my bunny rabbit I took a picture of. That's the caps of Hellboy. That was my parents' stuff. And that was my sister's stuff. And I went and took a picture of it. And that was my mom's stuff before she passed away. God rest her soul. I'm very sorry for the loss of everything. I kept collecting little pictures of magnets, vehicles on it. But I had to go to Georgia University for that stuff. For some reason, the dentist kept giving us free stuff.